Welcome to our channel. Today we how to change IP address on Windows 10, quick tip step by step clearly. To change your IP address on Windows 10, first, click on the Start button. Next, select the Settings icon, which resembles a gear. In the Settings window, choose Network and Internet. You will see several options on the left side. Select Status from the list. Now, scroll down and click on Network and Sharing Center. In the new window, find your active network connection, usually labeled as Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Click on the name of the connection to open its status window. In the Connection Status window, select Properties. Now, look for Internet Protocol version 4, also known as IPv4. Highlight IPv4 and click on the Properties button below. In the Internet Protocol version 4 Properties window, you will see two options. Select Use the following IP address. In the IP address field, enter the new IP address you wish to use. Next, fill in the subnet mask field, typically 255.255.255.0. You may also enter a default gateway, usually your router's IP address. If needed, you can also specify DNS server addresses. After entering the information, click OK to save your settings. Finally, click Close on the Connection Properties window to finish. Your IP address should now be changed. To verify the new settings, open Command Prompt. Type IP protocol configuration and press Enter. Check the displayed IP address to ensure it reflects your new configuration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.